GoPro Hero 13 Black is here, packing 4 new lens mods and a powerhouse battery, all starting at Rs 23,990. Want the Creator Edition? It's yours for Rs 64,990, complete with Volta Power Grip, Media Mod and Light Mod. Accessory bundle, just Rs 49,990 with all the extras you need. And hey, for those who love compact power, the standard Hero camera starts at Rs 23,990. Pre-order today on Amazon, Flipkart, Chroma and more. Shipping kicks off at 6:30 p.m. on September 10th. Now let's dive into the features. Hero 13 Black brings you 13x, burst slow-mo, bigger battery, magnetic latch mounting, Wi-Fi 6 and even hybrid log gamma HDR video. Customize your audio, track your adventures with GPS stickers and choose from awesome lens mods like ultra-wide and macro. For the ultralight adventurers, the Hero camera is just 86 grams, waterproof up to 5 meters with stunning 4K video. Hyper-smooth stabilization and long-lasting battery. Check and check. Get ready to capture life's epic moments with GoPro's latest.